Hello everyone, Corin Bowman here again at Cycle City of Rochester, Minnesota. Today I bring to you our 2022 KTM 500 Exc-F. The Exc-F is an amazing, top-of-the-line performance dual sport. It has a 510cc single-cylinder powerhouse of an engine, as well as a 6-speed transmission to go along with it. In the manufacturing and engineering of this motorcycle, they definitely wanted to keep the center of gravity low to keep the feeling of a lightweight motorcycle. For being a 500, it has a great power to weight ratio, so it feels great on the trail and it doesn't feel too heavy. Got your see-through gas tank there so you can see your fuel level without having to take off the gas cap. Your blue factory KTM seat cover. You come with a set of Continental tires, front and rear. They are chain driven, so the maintenance on these are very easy to do, so you're spending more time on the trails and on the road. As well as a chain guard there for upper and lower, as well as the brake rotor guard as well. They come with lightweight CNC machined hubs there, as well as a high-end giant rim, front and rear. They're known to be the most max strength rim you can get, as well as minimum weight. Here are some of your hand controls here. Your horn, your blinkers, your bright LED front headlight there, as well as your bright switch. Your Brembo hydraulic clutch, your turn signals, as well as your hour meter there. Next to the key and your on and off switch, next to the push button start as well. It comes standard with hand guards, these square mirrors, as well as ODI lock-on grips that give you an amazing plush feel and a great grip when you're going through the trails or cruising the roads. They are fuel injected, so you don't have to worry about a carburetor. There's that super bright front LED headlight I was talking about earlier. They have a Neken handlebar, is the brand that they choose to run with. As well as Brembo brakes. Another cool feature to make it the best trail and enduro bike that you could possibly get, besides for a factory or Erzberg, is here with you have an amazing fan right behind the radiator here, as well as your radiator louvers in front to keep out any mud or water or dirt. We also offer financing here at Cycle City of Rochester, Minnesota. If you get approved here, we can get you sent on home with this 500 Exc-F for only $266 a month. Or if you were looking to do it in full, right before freight and prep, it would come to $12,299. If you're interested, again, we are at Cycle City of Rochester, Minnesota. Our phone number is 507-288-1084. If you're looking to get the best performing dual sport out on the market right now, this is the one for you. Give us a call. Again, my name is Corbin. That's Corbin with a K. Give me a call and I can get you sent on home with this 500 today. Have a great night, folks.